Make any website in less than 5 minutes with Canva AI. Go to canva.com. Click on Canva AI. Select Code for me. I am giving a prompt for making a digital marketing website with a few services. You will provide as much information as possible according to your business. I'm just providing simple information to learn you the concept of making a site. After putting all the information, click on this arrow button and wait a few moments. Here is the result. If you want to change anything, just ask here as I'm making a few changes. Click here to rewrite the code to change according to your command. Again, wait a few moments. Here is the result. Now make this website live. Click on Use in a design. Click Website. Click on Share and then the website. Click here to edit the domain name. You can use your own domain name by purchasing it here. I'm keeping the subdomain for a 100% free site. Here are a few settings on a few things. I'm changing the website description. Check out these settings also. Then click on Continue to Publish. Publish. Click the View website to see what it looks like. I've created a doc file covering different types of website creation and the exact information you should include in a command to generate a perfect website with just one click. If you'd like to get this file and also want a full, detailed tutorial on website building, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.